In today's modern manufacturing world, the CNC machine has completely changed how products are made, with precision and speed. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, meaning this machine is controlled by a computer program that automates cutting, shaping, and drilling processes. Unlike traditional manual machines, a CNC machine works with high accuracy. Once the design is created using CAD software, the instructions are converted into a program, often called G-code. This code tells the machine exactly how to move, where to cut, and how deep to go. CNC machines are widely used in industries like woodworking, metalworking, automotive, and even aerospace. Whether it's cutting wood panels, shaping metal parts, or creating complex 3D designs, CNC machines can handle it all with consistent quality. One of the biggest advantages of CNC machines is precision. These machines can produce identical parts again and again without any variation. This makes them perfect for mass production and detailed craftsmanship. There are different types of CNC machines available, including CNC routers, CNC milling machines, CNC lathes, and plasma cutters. Each type is designed for specific tasks. For example, CNC routers are commonly used for cutting wood and plastic, while CNC milling machines are ideal for metal shaping. Another important benefit is efficiency. CNC machines can work continuously for long hours without fatigue. This not only increases productivity, but also reduces labor costs. With minimal human intervention, the chances of errors are also greatly reduced. Safety is also improved when using CNC machines. Since the operator does not need to manually handle cutting tools, the risk of accidents is lower compared to traditional machines. In woodworking, CNC machines are used to create furniture, decorative panels, doors, and even artistic carvings. The level of detail and smooth finish achieved by CNC machining is truly impressive. However, operating a CNC machine requires proper knowledge and training. Understanding software, machine setup, and maintenance is essential to get the best performance and long-term durability. In conclusion, CNC machines are powerful tools that combine technology and engineering to deliver high precision, efficiency, and versatility. As industries continue to grow, CNC machines will play an even bigger role in shaping the future of manufacturing. This is Tools Met, bringing you the best tools and machine knowledge from around the world.